Managing an Airbnb property can feel like a full-time job. Between cleaning, preparing for guests, and creating a welcoming space, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where KleanBnb comes in. Our expert cleaning team ensures your property is spotless and ready for every guest. From deep cleaning after checkouts to regular upkeep, we've got you covered, making sure your guests leave glowing reviews every time. Laundry management doesn't have to be a hassle. At KleanBnb, we handle it all, from washing and replacing linens to neatly organizing them in your space. No time to shop for new linens? No problem. KleanBnb offers high-quality laundry options tailored to your needs. Whether it's luxurious bedding or plush towels, we've got everything to enhance your guests' comfort. Need essential amenities? We provide everything from toilet paper, coffee, and water bottles to premium toiletries, making it easy to impress your guests with thoughtful touches. At KleanBnb, we're more than just a service. We're your trusted partner. We handle the hard work so you can focus on what really matters, delivering an unforgettable guest experience. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today and discover how effortless hosting can be with KleanBnb.